Hey there, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's near and dear to my heart: diabetic meal planning. I know how important it is to keep our blood sugar levels in check, but that doesn't mean we have to sacrifice delicious meals. In fact, today I'll be sharing some creative lunch ideas that will not only satisfy our taste buds, but also keep our glucose levels stable. So, let's get cooking. Before we jump into the recipes, let's talk about why meal planning is crucial for those with diabetes. By planning our meals ahead of time, we can ensure that we're getting a balanced mix of nutrients, including carbs, proteins, and healthy fats, which is essential for managing our blood sugar levels. Plus, meal planning can save us time and money and help us avoid the temptation of reaching for unhealthy options when we're in a pinch. Recipe 1. Grilled chicken and avocado wrap. First up, we have a grilled chicken and avocado wrap that's not only packed with flavor, but also super easy to make. Start by grilling a chicken breast, seasoned with your favorite spices. While the chicken is cooking, mash up a ripe avocado with a squeeze of lime juice and a pinch of salt. Once the chicken is done, slice it thinly and lay it on a whole wheat tortilla. Top with the avocado mash, some sliced tomatoes, and a handful of baby spinach. Roll it up, slice in half, and enjoy. Recipe 2. Quinoa salad with tuna. Next on the menu is a refreshing quinoa salad with tuna that's perfect for a light and satisfying lunch. Cook some quinoa according to package instructions and let it cool. In a large bowl, mix the quinoa with a can of drained tuna, diced cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, chopped parsley, and a drizzle of olive oil and lemon juice. Season with salt and pepper to taste. This salad is not only delicious, but also a great source of protein and fiber to keep us full and energized throughout the day. Recipe 3. Veggie-packed turkey meatballs. For our final recipe, we're getting creative with some veggie-packed turkey meatballs that are sure to impress. In a bowl, mix ground turkey with finely grated zucchini, carrots, and onions, as well as some garlic, breadcrumbs, and Italian seasoning. Shape the mixture into meatballs and bake in the oven until cooked through. Serve the meatballs with a side of roasted vegetables or a small portion of whole grain pasta for a balanced and satisfying meal. Now that we've whipped up some delicious lunch ideas, let's talk about some tips for successful diabetic meal planning. First and foremost, it's important to monitor our blood sugar levels regularly and adjust our meal plans accordingly. Be sure to include a variety of foods in your meals to ensure you're getting all the nutrients you need. And don't forget to stay hydrated throughout the day. Water is key for proper digestion and blood sugar regulation. And there you have it, guys. Some creative lunch ideas for diabetic meal planning that are as tasty as they are nutritious. Remember, managing diabetes is all about balance and moderation, so don't be afraid to experiment with different ingredients and flavors to keep things interesting. I hope you found these recipes helpful, and if you give them a try, be sure to let me know how they turned out in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!